Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1966 Mgb Mk1 Roadster, finished in Old English white, black leather interior, 4-speed, wire wheels, recipient of a ground-up restoration, and we have $38,000 worth of receipts to be shown for this car for all the work that's been done. So super expensive, very good quality, ground up nut and bolt restoration where I don't think anything's been left undone. I mean, they've just done it all. Lovely set of Euro lenses here, but Old English white, black trim. I think it's a 2-owner car, and the last family that owned it, very long period of ownership. Dad was in love with it and commissioned this ground-up restoration on this on his lovely '66 B Roadster. So yeah, really great paint. Couple tiny road chips that we're going to be touching up once our painter gets the match for us. But wonderful condition throughout. All new chrome work. You can see here show quality, just absolutely stunning show quality paint work. All new body moldings, wheels, tires, all new bumpers, all new light lenses, gas cap, all the chrome work's brand new. Perfect trunk fit there. Just take another slow walk around. We'll look at the interior. Yeah, so 1966, it's a 5-main bearing car with the push button door handles. Brand new windshield, as you can see here. Brand new triplex windshield. Nice brand new lower rubber. Excellent screen frame, all anodized. Great hood fit. Brand new grille. Just a thick file of receipts from Moss Motors, Victoria British, all the specialists. So lovely brand new leather trim. You can see here just perfect set of seats, all upholstered nicely with all new foam, all new trim kit. Completely restored dashboard, show quality, modern radio fitted with these little sneaky set of high output speakers back there. Sport steering wheel, padded sport wheel, which makes driving this car fantastic. This car's fitted with the DELUXE folding soft top, which is super nice. You don't have to fuss and fiddle with stopping the car and getting out and trying to quickly in a hurry get the original style soft top set put up in the middle of a rainstorm. So that's nice where it has the DELUXE folding soft top set. Trunk's beautiful. It's have a look at the still photo. It is upholstered with a black carpeted trunk kit, which is an upgrade. Coming around to the driver's side, you can see all this show quality interior. It's just beautiful condition. Polished aluminum threshold plates, brand new soft top, all new seals. Like I said, brand new panel kit, carpet kit, seats. Let's have a look at this engine compartment. Stunning show quality engine compartment. You can see here, you know, all the correct seals, just not even broken in yet. It's that fresh of a restoration. Under here, completely stripped out engine compartment. Looks like a new radiator, new oil cooler. Just beautiful quality paint work in here. Rebuilt engine, all new brakes, restored heater box. Just wonderful condition, excellent running and driving car. underpad set. But yes, super, super clean, fully restored engine compartment. I think we've got the original air cleaner set for this car. But yeah, as of late, the Mk1 Mgb, it's starting to jump up there in value. If you can read some of the Haggerty value scales, I think this model's just jumped 12% because it's finally being revered as the classic Mgb, the original Mgb. But yeah, it's fitted with rear springs. They're going to settle, I promise. You can see it does have a brand new set of 6-leaf rear springs, which are correct. So it is going to settle slightly in the back there over time with a little bit of use. But this car's been very freshly restored and barely driven since. This is our 1966 Mgb Mk1 Roadster, finished in its original Old English white, black leather trim, black top, 4-speed, 60-spoke, 14-inch painted wire wheels, recipient of a total restoration with receipts totaling over $38,000. Really nice driving car, ready to go for the season. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.